And hello, everybody. We are here. We are on week 9, day 3. I just wanted to hop on here. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but I will try my best to make sure that you guys are getting the best content. Again, we are calling. This is all about calling, cold calling, following up, and making sure we're getting contracts out, make sure we're looking at properties. We have a couple of appointments coming up this coming Monday, and we're going to go and buy some real estate. We are also, because we have so many deals, also working on inviting investors into these deals because we have more deals than we can handle. So at some point, it becomes very, very painful, growing pains that you go through. So that's what I'm going through. And we haven't even been doing this for the whole year that we set out to do. It is just week 9, day 3. And I'm already questioning whether I should continue to make these calls because we got way too many deals. And so if you are, I have to switch gears here a little bit. If you're interested in getting involved in some of these deals, you let me know because we got a ton of deals over here. And the more that we are calling and making these videos, it's just making it to where we can't keep up. I can't keep up. We got from coast to coast, all the way from California to New York and Florida and Midwest and Arizona and Washington, DC, Washington State, Colorado. You name it. There is a ton of deals that are going on. The market is switching into a buyer's market, but I try to keep it so that these strategies, of course, will work in any market. Flat market, a hot market, a very cold market, buyer seller's market, or whatever. These strategies and these follow-up sequences and whatnot, they work in any market. But like I said, it's getting too much. It's getting too much. But I will continue my commitment to you guys that you are going to continue to see me doing deals and just continue to figure out ways that we can dispo the deals. But I don't want to dispo too much. I want to keep a lot of these deals. So you get to see that. So I'm going to probably make some videos here as well as to how to speak to private investors and 401k, IRA investors. Last night I had a meeting with a custodian company and see if we can invite some of their investors to some of these deals, etc. So we have a lot going on and I'm excited. I don't want to do flips right now. I may take on a flip, but that just takes a lot of time. And I think my time is better spent on the phones. Most of the videos, of course, we're not hitting the correct target. Well, let me rephrase that. Most of the videos that I put out show calls where, most people don't answer. But then they call back and they text me back and we're doing all that kind of stuff all the time. So I have to invite different people to participate in this, and I'm running out of people. So if you are somebody who is interested in participating in what we're doing here, and you want to partner with me, make sure you let me know. I don't even care if you subscribe, like, or share my channel or anything like that. At this point, we have way too much that we're trying to do. So I'm not going to slow down the pace of the videos. We will continue to get this channel going. So I got somebody not calling me, an investor who wants to talk about these deals. So we are very, very busy. Okay, so make sure that if you want to get a piece of the action, some cash flow, we want to put some cash flow in your retirement account. You let me know. Right now, I'm only taking on retirement account people. Of course, you know, there's always exceptions to it. It's not a rule. That's not a rule, but that's what I'm focusing on. If there's other types of things you want to do, you want to buy these, you want to flip them, you know, the play here is long-term holds, but maybe there's a deal that is good for you to flip or whatever, you know, you reach out, you let me know. My information will be in the description below. So make sure that you let me know if you want to get involved. Okay. And then depending on when you watch this video, I mean, this video is not going to release for another 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks. And so by then, I'm going to be even more busy. So you make sure you help me out. Take some of these deals, take some of these off-market deals. All right. So we'll talk to you soon. Hope you enjoy yourself and hope to see you on the other side. Thank you for being here. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.